If your plants seem weaker than usual, this could be one possible reason. This type of problem is frequently linked to fertilizer burn. Some noticeable symptoms are, generally, damage from over-fertilization often presents with symptoms such as scorched leaves or browning of the leaf edges. Water-soluble salts from fertilizers can draw moisture from root tissues, causing leaves to wilt, edges to yellow, and stunted growth. Leaf scorching can also result from direct contact of the foliage with some types of fertilizers, granular fertilizers applied by spreading or liquid fertilizers sprayed. Factors such as soil type, irrigation regime, salt levels, and the susceptibility of specific plant species can also affect the severity of this disease. It can develop when conditions such as these occur. Damage from over-fertilization becomes more severe in hot, dry climates. The salts in fertilizers become more concentrated in dry soil conditions. This can lead to direct root damage, manifested by scorching symptoms on parts of the plant exposed to air. Dissolved salts are also transported by water within the plant and become concentrated in the leaves when moisture is rapidly lost on hot, dry days due to transpiration or evaporation. In cold, cloudy weather with sufficient soil moisture, the rate of leaf transpiration slows down, allowing many plants to tolerate high salt concentrations during the spring months, but not throughout the summer. Therefore, granular fertilizers should not be used in very dry weather, and watering should be done thoroughly after fertilizing to prevent scorching. Many gardeners start with natural solutions like, when insects or diseases cause serious damage to plants, sometimes it is best to cut off the damaged parts or replant, learning from the experience to prevent recurrence. If the issue worsens, stronger treatments may include: there are no chemical solutions available for fertilizer-induced leaf burn. To avoid similar problems later, fertilizer-induced leaf burn can be prevented by choosing slow-release organic fertilizers. Applying a layer of compost a few centimeters, 1 centimeter, thick to the soil annually is also effective. Sweep away fertilizer particles from the foliage after fertilization. Use soluble foliar fertilizers according to the label instructions. And if using granular fertilizers, ensure watering immediately after application. In short, leaf margins turn brown or scorched, wilting, yellowing of leaf edges, and stunted growth. Stay tuned for more practical plant care advice.